Imagine a life where you are a fat loser who is burdened by debt and can't get any girl. You wake up sad, immediately scrolling through your phone, seeing the first half-naked IG model, grabbing your already sore meat, and then exploding all over yourself before you even get out of bed. This is the reality for most men. Now imagine waking up feeling just awesome. But of course, you wake up feeling awesome. Why shouldn't you? Your business is producing black numbers, you have a beautiful girl in your bed, and you have a chiseled physique. It's so easy to be part of the top 1%. A daily routine is the cornerstone of success because it provides structure, discipline, and consistency, all of which are essential ingredients for achieving one's goals. So, without wasting any more time, let's get down to business. Wake up early. Waking up early is super important. Almost every successful person wakes up between 3 to 5 a.m. It sets a momentum for the rest of the day. You're not just rolling out of bed whenever you feel like it, you're taking control of your time and your life. Plus, waking up early gives you a head start on the rest of the world. You're already making big boy moves, getting ahead of the game, whether it's hitting the gym, working on your side hustle, or simply having some quiet time to study. When you wake up early, you also need to go to bed earlier, which is another big advantage. Let's face it, when you're tired in the evening, your decision-making skills take a hit. Ever notice how you're more likely to give in to distractions or make impulsive choices when you're running on fumes? That's your tired brain playing tricks on you. By hitting the hay earlier, you're safeguarding yourself against those moments of weakness. It's true, everyone's got the same 24 hours in a day, but it's not just about the quantity of time, it's about what you do with it. Look, I get it. Lounging in bed feels good, but success doesn't wait for anyone. It's out there, and it's competitive. To help you wake up early, simply put your alarm on the other side of your room so you have to get out of bed to turn it off. You can also use apps where the alarm will only turn off after you solve puzzles or calculate equations. This will activate your brain right on the spot. One free app like this is called Alarmly. And don't make the mistake to get into your bed again after turning off your alarm, because there is a high chance that you will fall back asleep. Do a big task right in the morning. When you've already conquered one mountain, the smaller hills suddenly seem more manageable. Trust me, bro, that discipline, that willingness to tackle the hard stuff head-on is a game changer. Whether it's hitting the gym, studying, working on a side hustle, or meditating, whatever constitutes a hard daily task for you, this is the time to conquer it. While everyone is still sleeping and dreaming about their dream life, you're already working on your dreams. Kickstart your day by tackling a big task right off the bat will not only bring you a step closer to achieving your goals, but you will also feel like a goddamn badass. Imagine being the guy who is working out, studying, or working on a side hustle at 4:30 in the morning. You will feel like Genghis Khan right after you conquered that big task. To achieve this, you should plan ahead. First, get a good night's sleep. None of that late-night scrolling through your phone nonsense. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep and make sure your room is dark and quiet. Next, have a game plan ready. Don't give yourself any room to procrastinate or second-guess. Lay out what you need the night before, whether it's your workout gear, your study materials, or whatever task you're facing. This will give you no room for any excuses. Finally, make sure to break the big task down into bite-sized chunks. Do you want to hit the gym? Wake up, get up, drink a glass of water, put on gym clothes, brush your teeth, grab your gym bag, walk to the gym, warm up, focus on one exercise at a time. Done. Simple as that. Now, if you want to go the extra mile, you can tackle 2 big tasks in the morning or even get all your tasks done. There are no limits. Follow a productive morning routine. After finishing your big task, you should follow up with a structured routine that will set you up for success. First off, take a cold shower. It toughens you up mentally, increases focus, and improves your mood. It's like a shot of adrenaline straight into the veins. Let's not forget the health benefits. Cold showers boost your circulation, rev up your metabolism, and even strengthen your immune system. Plus, they're great for your skin and hair. So not only will you feel like a badass, but you'll look like one too. That first plunge into cold water can feel like getting slapped in the face by Eddie Hall. But trust me, once you get past that initial shock, you'll start to love it. You can start the shower warm for the first few minutes, but for the last 20 seconds, turn it on ice cold and gradually increase the duration of the cold shower over time. Now, on to skincare. Yeah, I know it might sound like something only girls do, but taking care of your skin isn't just about looking good, though that's a nice nice extra bonus. It's about showing yourself some respect, man. Your skin's your first line of defense against the world, so treat it right. Plus, a good skincare routine sets you up for success in the long run. You want to be looking fresh and youthful when you get older. To find matching products, identify your skin type first. There is a skin type quiz in the description to help you determine it, along with matching products for the 3 most common skin types. In general, you start with a cleanser, followed by an exfoliator, and finish up with a moisturizer that contains extra sun protection. If you haven't brushed your teeth yet, now is the time to do it. A winning smile opens doors, bro. People notice that stuff. Plus, taking care of your teeth isn't just about appearances, it's also about health. And yes, you should brush your teeth before breakfast, even if it sounds weird. Science says so, and you don't want to argue against science, bro. Also, floss your teeth and use mouthwash for additional hygiene. If you are afraid that you will have bad breath after breakfast, you can use the mouthwash afterwards, or chew a piece of mint gum. Stay fasted. You probably noticed that you haven't eaten breakfast yet, and there's a good reason for that. Don't eat anything in the first 1 to 2 hours after waking up. See, when you wake up, your body has been fasting for hours, and you want to remain in a fasted state to achieve maximum productivity. Fasting not only improves your health, but also boosts your energy levels and sharpens your mind. Plus, your body produces certain hormones in the morning, like cortisol, which helps wake you up and get ready for the day. Eating too soon can interfere with these hormonal processes, disrupting your energy levels and mood. Furthermore, when you're constantly eating, your insulin levels fluctuate, leading to energy crashes and mood swings. Fasting can help regulate your insulin levels, which in turn can stabilize your mood and energy levels throughout the day. So instead of crashing after lunch, you'll be able to maintain your momentum. Fasting can also teach you a lot about self-control and delayed gratification. In a world where everything's instant, learning to wait for things will set you apart. Trust me, those are skills that'll take you far in life, whether you're chasing success in business, relationships, or anything else you set your mind to. So yeah, fasting isn't just about skipping breakfast. It's about setting yourself up for success, both mentally and physically. Embrace the hunger and watch how it will transform you into a machine. Get in the right fuel. After your hard work, your body and mind deserve a killer breakfast that actually gets used for fuel instead of just being stored away. Most people ruin the rest of their day because they eat a breakfast full of garbage. They eat cereals full of sugar, drink chocolate milk like a 5-year-old, and don't add the right macronutrients and micronutrients into their breakfast. A healthy breakfast that increases your overall performance doesn't have to be complicated. We're keeping it simple and effective. Start with a solid protein punch. Think eggs, Greek yogurt, or a protein shake. Next up, let's throw in some healthy fats. Avocado, a drizzle of olive oil, or you can go for some nuts or nut butter. Now let's not forget about the carbs. We're not scared of carbs, we just choose the good ones. Opt for whole grains like oatmeal or whole grain bread. They'll give you sustained energy without the crash. Lastly, don't skimp on the vegetables and fruits. Throw a handful of spinach into your eggs, or add some berries to your morning shake. The vitamins and minerals will load you up to keep your body on its best performance. This is also the time when you can take your supplements. If you don't already take supplements, consider creatine and zinc for muscle growth. Also, consider omega-3 and vitamin D for overall well-being and improved brain function. Don't forget to stay hydrated. Drink 2 to 3 cups of water throughout the morning. When you like to drink coffee or tea, you should drink an extra cup of water because caffeine dehydrates your body. If you implement these steps into your life, it is impossible not to succeed. Remember, these steps are not strict guidelines and can be slightly adjusted to fit your needs, but the overall ideas should be followed if you want to be your best self. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to do it now and get ahead of the competition by watching weekly videos on how to become your best self. Let's keep the momentum going.